Okay, so I'd like to show off a quick little puzzle kit that I built. This is built entirely in C++, no blueprints, all just kind of raw code. You can see here we've got a gate, can't get past it, and there's 3 little plates to the left. So we're going to grab a item just sitting around in the world. Try this. All right, doesn't seem to work. Place it on a different platter, and yeah, it falls over. Yeah, this item's not working. Throw it away. Look around for something else that will respond to our interact function. We've got one of these little heads here, and it snaps into place. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. And we move over here, knocked it, pick it back up, and we're gonna put it right in the middle and go looking for the third one. So these are items that are really simple to set up, reacting to the trigger cubes that are on those plates. And once you have the requisite items, the gate opens. And we can come down here to the steps and see that there's basically the setup for a second puzzle. So let's go through that and set that puzzle up. So we're going to use a gargoyle static mesh. You can use any static mesh with this system. All we need to do is add some tags to it, some gameplay tags. Call this statue so the trigger volume knows the item that it's looking for. And then a few of these physics settings. The most complicated is just to make sure that it's blocking sphere traces from the channel that we made to work with these puzzle objects. Yeah, so we'll do that here, and then that's about it. We'll move on to the next step. This second step involves prepping the place where we need to actually set the puzzle piece down, put a trigger volume on there, and a repositioning component. Trigger volume detects the puzzle piece and checks if it's the right one. The repositioning component allows us to change exactly where we want that puzzle piece to snap into place so that it looks nice when you complete the puzzle. We have to change the puzzle piece tag on the trigger volume and select whether or not we want the puzzle piece to be repositioned, or if you can just sort of let it lie there depending on the puzzle you have set up. Now we need something to happen when the puzzle is completed. So we're going to use mover components to open this set of double doors, able to change the time it takes to open and of course the direction. And you can apply the mover to as many pieces as you want. You could have a dozen cubes moving or just one gate like we saw in the first example. So we set up this second door mover and we're good to go. Very simple. This is the last step. We just need to get a puzzle manager in our scene to tie all of the components we just set up together. So you see we have the second puzzle manager for the second puzzle. We'll go in, add 2 slots for the mover. We just need to click on the actors in the scene that have the mover attached to them. Do the same thing with the column there that has the trigger cube on it. And then finally, we need to add in the gameplay tag that we added to the gargoyle. If we wanted to, we could have multiple gargoyles or different pieces with additional pillars. We could name them different names. That way you could have a gold gargoyle that goes onto a gold pillar, or however you wanted to set it up. So it's very modular. But we're going to keep it simple. And that should be it. We'll take it from here. We'll just jump in after the first puzzle and demonstrate that this puzzle is working. Run over, grab the gargoyle, drop it on the pillar, it snaps into place, faces in the right direction, and the 2 doors open, and we can exit. That's it. Thanks for watching.